crap! Well, I'm doing the playthrough on the game. Remember?
Hold on, I want to see this. Continue. Oh, so we're still here.
Alright, no, I'm doing the playthrough on the game.
I know. I'm not an idiot. Okay, guys, what's up? Right now, I'm playing. But, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause to get back to room 267, so be right back. Sorry, guys, we're having technical issues.
And
hey, guys, we're back.
At just room 267. So
just in case you don't know, Drake is the one playing right now.
No, it's actually Sub-Zero, in case you didn't know that.
Yeah, that's his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. And
no, but you gotta search up 0-second stuff to find it, and that's like no spaces and all, like the word zero is actually, so zero is actually the word zero.
Yeah, and also make sure to check out
the top one.
And if you also like my content, then make sure to go check out Leak and Stuff. Instead of an and with an apostrophe. Make sure to check out that because I post a bunch of stuff. I also am going to start up doing animations, so that will be fun.
Isn't there like a demon or something that comes from this
No, she comes later.
Oh no, the demon.
I know. That comes later. I remember the first time we ever saw the demon. I remember the first time we ever got killed in this game together. You jumped out of your chair. It was pathetic.
I hate it when there's a locked door and you have to walk backwards.
Okay, just keep running though. Like, we've almost hit the next checkpoint. Sorry for the delay, but it's finally going to be time.
Which door?
Just go through either one. I don't really care. Okay, guys. So, this is finally, we're going to hit the checkpoint and continue on with the game.
I think I've already been here.
No, it just keeps repeating the same rooms. Over and 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 over. It's right, go right, go right, go right. That's always the right way. So, you know how in the labyrinth, if you follow the left wall, then you will...
I don't know what that is.
Then you will always get to the exit. What happens if you
I don't
follow
know what a labyrinth is.
What if you go... No, like a maze? Like a maze?
Isn't this when the demon gets here?
I'm not sure. You'd have to turn around and check.
No.
Why?
I'm not turning around.
Oh, this is a new maze. Ooh, Billy Mays here. Billy Mays.
Remember that one ghost that could go through the walls?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Next.
That one first demon. You guys missed it.
No, that second one. Like one of the ones that that didn't scare me. Your cup of coffee.
The one the spider monster?
No, not the spider monster.
The creepy girl in the white dress?
Yeah, that could go through walls.
Oh yeah, I remember that girl. I kind of want to see the bad ending to the game. Lethal. Remember that one monster that we saw in the computer, and it was the one that was flashing? Subjects flashing. Remember that guy?
Yeah, the one that had been like deemed too hard to contain or whatever.
Yeah, and he escaped.
Well,
they killed it. They killed it. But he ends up...
How long do I have to go?
Wait, we can't spoil the ending. Just keep running, dude. I wouldn't risk just like constantly walking. So Drake gives this game an 11 out of 5 stars. I give it a 4 stars. You guys saw the arcade games. That plays a lot into my reason why I don't like this game.
Oh my god.
Well, I actually do like this game. Turn around. Check if somebody's behind you.
I'm not turning. Oh. I thought that was in the game. It scared me.
How long do you have to keep going? I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
Technical issues.
I'm actually stuck.
Give me the controls. You're using W. Try using all the other keys. You're stuck?
Uh-huh.
No! We're at room 97! No! The game just froze. This happens. Okay, it's working now.
Oh, it's not.
What do you mean?
I'm stuck.
Let me see. Pass me the headphones.
Nope, I'm stuck.
Let me try.
Press them. You're stuck.
Oh, we entered full screen. No. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to pause the recording and restart the game.
Let's get a new game.
No, we're gonna have to
I think you stopped the recording.
No, I didn't. No, that's because we entered full screen. We're gonna have to restart the episode.
Wait, what?
What did you do?
I don't know.
Open the screen recording. Wait, you have it on the thing. No, don't close that. Open, click that, click that, click
No,
that.
I'm closing, I'm clicking this one out. Oh, there we go.
It's working. I think you were just hitting the wrong button.
Oh, it's getting thinner. You see that?
No, I don't.
Stuck again.
Oh my gosh, it's actually getting thinner. That's why you're getting stuck.
It didn't scare me. Ha ha ha, you suck. You didn't scare me. Ha ha ha.
You're lying.
Ha ha ha.
You just got murdered.
By who?
By the guy who was the flashing subject.
No, they killed him.
No.
Mm-hmm.
But remember when we saw that video of Spooky last night?
No.
You're dumb. That was the guy who's flashing.
Let's get another game. Let's get Gmod.
No. Dude, are you just gonna quit the video?
I'm bored.
Fine. I'll play the game. I'll play it. Move. I'm playing this.
Move! I'm playing this!
I'm beating this. Move. If you're just gonna quit this video, then we'll wait till the next video for you to play this again. I am Waka. I am Waka. Okay. Is the recording even still going?
I don't know.
Did we end space? Hey guys, so it's Max, and we forgot to unpause it. Drake died, and Drake does not want to keep playing this game. So I'm just gonna take over this episode for him. Maybe next time he'll be willing to play again. Drake, next episode will you be willing to play Spooky?
I don't know.
Drake, do you want to try and do video every day?
Hmm.
I'm beating this. I'm beating this. Okay, here's the thing. I want to see this. See? Okay. Access specimen database. Look. That was the same guy.
No.
That was the same guy.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it was.
Mm-mm.
Comment. Oh, wait, right. You never saw it. I was like, modify house layout. Error. Oh, dang it. Access specimen database. What is the very last? Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna continue going. If I die again,
and I get it on camera. Guys, comment down below if that guy that we just saw was the same. I'm not gonna play Mall of Spook. Humans should deserve to live. I don't want to murder them. Okay, guys, so comment down below what we should play next.
You do know that we have no one watching these videos, right?
I know, but if we get a following, every YouTuber starts out like this. Ah, your phone. At least it's not my phone. Something's coming. I'm just gonna go. Yeetus to the fetus. Dude, you're interfering with the recording. By the way, that's Mip. That's Mip. Mip is actually a robot. So we just got our inspiration from him. Okay, I have like 4 minutes left, so I'm just gonna keep bursting through this. Wait, is there a note? Nope. Drake, I will literally show you the end game. Rah, 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 rah. Zelda, rah. I can do this. Focused. Frick you, ice cream.
Did the ice cream scare you?
Yeah, it did. It terrified me.
Oh.
Well, no, it just made me jump. Oh, well. Drake's gonna go do something else, so I'm just gonna finish off this episode. I have 20 more rooms. I'm just gonna skip to the last room.
Well, you can
So
do
97. Hello, guys. So we are back at it again. And we're at room locked. Oh, gosh. Okay. Are you ready? We're at the... I'm skipping that room. Ha! I skipped it! You just went to the wrong room, Drake. I was able to skip that room. Yes! Room 300, finally! Oh my gosh. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I haven't seen any of my previous notes, so that means I'm either getting somewhere or someone is taking them.
Mip's just sitting there.
The elevator is going down. Oh gosh. Okay. This is it. Join in next time for me most likely playing another episode of Spooky. Anyways, guys, bye.